Welcome to a paradise where elegance meets nature's untouched beauty. Imagine white sands stretching beneath your feet, kissed by clear turquoise waves. Here, colorful stones glisten in shades of sapphire and jade, adding a vibrant touch to the pristine shoreline. Majestic palm trees and exotic bamboo sway in the gentle breeze, framing a view as tranquil as it is breathtaking. As the sun sets, the sky becomes a masterpiece of orange, pink, and violet, casting a golden glow across the landscape. This tropical escape offers not just beauty, but an experience of true serenity. Let yourself be drawn in by the rhythmic lull of the waves and the harmony of this luxurious natural haven. This is a place where time slows, inviting you to simply breathe, relax, and marvel at nature's perfect elegance.